Say if you have a woman and a woman you decide say if you're not married to her, you might left you.
Not trouble me.
Cause you know want married to her.
Not trouble me,
And
man.
how much years now and you know want to be married. And she a go
I'm
left
me
you.
not ready for married.
And you know want married her. So she a go left you. What you woulda do if you decide for this woman left you or you a go married?
Him not going to married. Cause married not important want me. So going to married.
But the woman would want to go in church and then something they can.
So I'm going married can't make you go church.
They but you to religion go and set up and then something they set up. You have to marry and you and your husband come with now and then.
Yeah man, left me and go to married. Yeah man, left me man. You can't left me, you know. No
But
trouble
suppose
me,
woman
man.
don't want to left him man.
Me not ready for married.
He want married and can live a good life and settle
So
down.
what make we can't live?
Left that alone. That cat me name brother and 9 life me have. You think me easy for dead? That now go happen. That will me
You
never.
know. But just a film funeral at 1.5
million.
Yeah. So him want him family member and him friend them come together and give him it in
that
him
money
hand.
before him dead.
Yeah. So what you think about it?
Yeah, that is a good cat.
You that want for you?
Right now.
So what I go bury you when you're dead, Jerry? I go put it down for bury you?
Cat, you know which part me are dead?
So you value your funeral as 1.5 or
Just give me
2.5?
Give me one, yeah.
Where
just
you value
give
your
me.
funeral as?
Can't 3 million, you know?
Yeah, so you would have wanted now.
Yeah, just give me my 3 million now.
So what you gonna do with it?
Me not do what I want to. Yeah, buy house and then sitting there.
And buy gal and play sink and
Do whatever
weed
me want
and
do.
drink
Whatever
rum
me
party
want
and
do.
red stripe
Me
and then
not buy
something.
no girl neither, brother.
So you not gonna give no girl no money?
So me not have people for give money. Me have me youth them, you know. Me have
So
2 daughters.
no
you know,
stranger not gonna get another funeral money there.
For what?
I just your daughter and
Yeah.
daughter them mother and
And
such.
people,
forth.
family, and whosoever, if you forget a drink, you go buy a drink or say, you know.
So them are gonna have money for bury you when you're dead.
You know, me no know, and me no want to know, you know.
So you not think to say you have to bury.
Cat, you know, must bury. I'm
So
enough
then
man
your
no
people
bury,
them
you
not
know.
gonna catch trouble.
Remember enough man no bury and then still
Yes,
can't find them,
that's when
cat.
you go last and dead bush when you know
You
find
don't
you.
know, you don't know that me I tell you. Man can go sing me a see it, you know.
So you just want the money.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me my money now, brother.
Oh, I see one.
And me not sure about a funeral, you know. but
What
me
you
sure
say about
the
it,
money.
Brooksy?
Me kinda agree with Jerry, you know.
Yeah.
Because look at it, life hard, you know. And me there know what suffer.
So far.
And look here, if bury a dead now, you know, cat, the cheapest way, it will take you one good piece of butter. A lie?
Good piece of butter.
If you buy box and 9 night and prepare everything, complete package then. You look and roughly say the cheapest 500,000. Right, sir?
$500,000.
The cheapest me a put it.
0.5 the cheapest. 0.5 the cheapest.
Alright.
Cause the box alone are gonna cost $500,000.
Alright. And the rest of things them come to another million this.
Yeah,
So a
yeah.
1.5
A
one good
0.5, yeah,
funeral.
look fine, yeah.
But funeral can good.
Yeah man.
Oh,
For the man we pass.
good funeral.
Yeah.
Me
Good
no-
funeral
no-
for the man we pass.
No funeral can good Brooksy.
Me no believe say funeral good.
No,
Eh?
sir.
No?
Hold on.
Good.
You woulda like you're dead now, Brooksy.
Eh.
And when you look,
When Brooksy look and Brooksy dead.
you look, you
Yeah,
Jerry,
we come a
when
funeral.
You will come a funeral.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see me go get some all cedar board, knock up and piece of all heavy box.
Berry Brooks
Put
in.
Brooksy in one rough something.
Mm.
When you look at dirt, we dig, chop him in.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
When you look, go you and the man we dig the hole
Yeah.
at the funeral home dig.
Yeah. And one
What
Brooksy
kind of
good
funeral?
friend.
Nothing wrong. Brooksy a bury same way.
Brooks is still
You
buried.
want that in your family?
Cat I hit me and tell you
No,
when
me
you're dead.
ask you say if you want that in your me
Same.
not talk about you were dead.
Say if
You were alive.
Say if
You want that in your family?
Cat I know me want in my family. But
And
say
nine
if you get the
data.
money. If you get the money and do away with it whatsoever you want
And
to do with
me
it.
have money, me still a go bury you good. Yeah man.
That's
You
why I
know
say,
that already.
give
Cause
me-
you want know.
Yeah man, give me it now.
No for we never get the experience of one piece of money. That's why a man use that terms. So you see that piece of money they won't go spend on him when him dead now?
Yeah.
To be
Himself
honest,
he
you
did.
would have like spent piece of money like that before.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day when you dead, remember me and you, the family member, go shame.
Yeah. So yeah, take shame out of
You take
your
shame
eye.
and some money spent on we.
Yeah.
I don't know
Ah,
believe.
two
You
them that
know,
take
You
shame out
can't
of
get
your
you can't get $1,000 from a family member so easy, you know.
Yeah.
No, you know. You feel not deep difficult.
But
Just
you
want
know,
a money and then give you 1,000. So
Are you fi dead as they say?
well, alright. So it means show you say now, when you dead, that it's not all about you no more. It's all about them.
Fi take shame out
So
of you.
them
So
not
that's
go
why
want
me
to
want-
be shame.
That's why I'm want to
That's
get my
bury
money.
their family member worse than nobody.
Nobody else.
So them are go the extreme miles
And
to spend
bury
$1
you
million
good.
for bury.
That's
you.
why
But
I'm
you
want
So
know,
what
bury
make you
you.
never try make me live good? Probably me no coulda live
You
longer.
no take on that response. No family no take on that.
Brooks, you see the money where they send
No,
from
to be
there?
honest, no
You
family
can
no take
turn
on
that
that
3
response.
or
eh.
4 times.
I'm
Them
be
just
all a
tell
better man
themselves.
in life.
Yeah.
And
I'm
can
can
bury
bury
your own self
and
when
can
you're dead
bury
and
somebody
buried.
else too.
How much of them would not think
You
about
know?
that? Them
Right
not
then.
think that. Them just a tell themselves say, we have money, but enough it give you have to take you out of trouble. And
If
to
you
take
bury you
shame
when
out
you're
of
dead,
few
and
yard.
take shame out of few yard.
Well, me want my burial
You
money
understand
now.
me? Wish me they are struggle
You have
hard
to
out of
turn
life
my
and
own.
Me
piece of
want
money.
my one now.
When me
can
could have
turn
tell
my
myself,
own.
say, you know, so me get a piece of money, me can go turn it, and me never out of money again.
Yeah.
Until the day life
Because
left me.
any
Money
man-
still dead left, we
Any
can do
living man
whatever
right
we
now
do
get
for me.
$1.5 million. If you are not fool, you're
Yeah,
not
you
supposed to
can
broke
brace
again.
yourself. You can brace yourself.
You're
you
not
know?
supposed to broke again.
You turn
Yeah,
But choose the family member we are going to give you $1.5 million so easy.
Mm-hmm.
You no cripple, you no do you.
Yeah.
You're strong and you're hearty.
Hearty.
You're not no wrong. Oh,
Yeah.
you know take up that
No,
deal.
Oh, where you get that from?
Judge
Family
must
member?
charge you.
dead.
that. Ah,
No,
judge
somebody
charge
have
you.
dead left here, which you know said that part there for you see me?
And you
if-
must get it
You
up.
must get the people,
You
Rabbi.
must get
If
it.
you're not close
Yeah.
enough,
No,
you will
but
not
if
get
you
it.
have
Ah,
good
who
family, you
have
have
angling
good
to
family,
it,
you have
not
good family
genuine.
member,
Yeah, we
man.
know
Don't put
that.
against the bad one them.
All right then,
Say
let's
you
the
have
bad
one
one.
good
Yeah,
family member.
I saw you will
you
get
know?
it. I saw you will
Yeah.
get it. All right.
You get
yeah,
me?
Yeah, left the
teacher?
bad one.
Yeah, man. We are left the bad them
Yeah,
out
man.
of this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
cause then dead left you know, you're in a good family hands.
Yeah,
You
man.
will get it.
Yeah, man.
I saw him. I
You
say.
get 1.5, you get 1.5,
Right.
you get 1.5, you see me? You
So,
get 1.5.
So you say we could have get that breed
As
of
a
money.
good, yeah.
From family
Somebody have
member.
it dead left for you.
Yeah,
What you
yeah.
mean? But
Yeah,
then alive and you take you up so give you.
No.
Yeah,
Remember.
you have it dead.
Yeah.
For that spend by you. Yeah.
Are him dead left here?
Yes, yes.
So
And
I-
then we spend more than 1.5 per year if you're dead.
That's why such man
Oh,
it tell himself say, him one man have a bag of money.
Yeah,
Yes, him want.
yes,
But him one man make him know say me no have nobody else fi give this.
yeah.
This a for you,
For you.
but this have to stay with me until me dead.
Before you get
You
it.
be the owner for
Yeah,
this.
him kill the whole
Yes,
man.
him car man go kill him whole man.
Yes, guy want the money.
Kill him whole man and bury him out of it and all money turn over to him. What make him couldn't wait? Tell me now.
The money you want.
Money is so powerful, you understand me? Make him kill him father. Me not do it in a Brooks.
Me have to wait.
Me I go sit down and tell myself, so me I go and make life, you know.
And take care of the whole
That
man.
him night now even dead, cause
Yeah.
you know we have it by
Before
him
the
dead.
time, of course.
Daddy now fi dead.
Me no can we have
Eh,
more.
You sit down and pray for daddy dead. That's why man now dead, him no have to go kill him man, you know. Cause him now go look nothing. You understand me? Cause daddy rich, you know. But daddy now hand over the riches to you. Cause if me money over to you, you could have broke a man and daddy no dead and still a suffer. You understand me,
So
brother?
that is still a whole lot.
Still a whole lot. You know, just patient with your old man, and go and take good care of him,
And the
and
old
him
man
live
so
life,
loyal
man,
to you
eh,
to make you know all of that.
that.
See, and that's how the thing I go reach one of the
The
time.
raw
boss.
soul kill him all, man. Yeah.
Just to get a little money.
Yeah, I money, man.
That me I tell you,
Yeah.
man, money a root of all
Remember
evil,
good no, man.
Terrible something,
Yeah,
man.
man.
The
Terrible
love of
something.
money.
The lover of money.
Mhm.
Yeah, no money, you know, the lover.
The lover.
That mean who love money to that extreme level then.
We pray them something there.
Yes, you pray if you do fuck if you get the money. Yes.
Money is something we feel like.
Yes, cause we have to
I
lose
have
it.
to have money for
Right.
live.
You know?
to live.
Money,
Yeah.
money is a form of material comfort, you know.
Yes.
You see the material comfort them you need in your life and money bring forth.
And money buy them.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
if you not get them things then you not live a comfortable life.
And the money have to make
understand
you
me?
get them thing there.
Yes.
Yeah.
In a this world where
Where
we
we
in
are
a car.
living, yeah.
A man can isolate himself and go hills.
Yes, I don't need no
Yes,
money.
and him a live him comfortable
Them
life
life,
without
yeah,
money,
money,
and the material
material
comfort,
things
yeah.
there, yeah.
But long as you're in a row,
Yeah.
you're not gonna need material comfort and the money
Yeah,
bring
man.
forth them.
Yeah, man.
So
Yeah, man.
the money is something where you have to like to have.
Yeah, cause money
Yeah,
make
the
everything
money make you
possible.
independent, you know.
Yeah, man, I make
The money
certain
make you
things possible. I
important.
make
The money
certain
make
things
everything possible.
Yeah,
You understand
yeah,
me?
Yeah.
But the money and something where for love.
True.
Me not see love for money.
Mm.
Me not see no love or reach for no money for
Yeah.
me.
I'm gonna say true, me no love you, but me not have it, or what?
Yeah, and I true you know love it, cause as me say, my knowledge tell me say money is not to be loved.
No.
You understand
Cause
me?
money ain't no somebody.
No, money and a life.
No.
Yeah, so we are exercising
Money,
now to make
right.
the people that know say a life to be loved.
Love.
Yeah, more love.
You can't
bigger
like
to
money.
life. Yeah.
Not no wrong if you like
How
the
do
money,
you,
cause
man,
money
then?
is
How
something
you
what we
mean?
have to
Yeah,
have.
yeah, me I
And
say,
everybody
yeah.
like to have money
Yeah,
and use
but
money.
you don't
Money have
need
to
to
use
love
money.
money. You see, if you
You
love
love
money,
money.
you're going to hate me.
Yes.
What going to happen to you? You're lost.
Yeah.
If money did good, me feel say he could have buy back life and then sit there.
Money no good,
Money
so.
can't buy life.
Money don't go
Life
for
no
maintain
there
you
for
in this
sell. Life no
financial
there sell.
world. You see it? The financial world where we live in, and money have to maintain you in it. So we the world, brother, no way you can survive.
No.
You're going to just look like nothing.
Yeah, cause
You
you don't
just
have no
end
money.
up, yeah,
to
you know,
spend, to
you
get
have
where
to
you
have
want and
money
need.
to get where you want. And
But me
then
no know
you
about
see.
money, you know. Me never did know say I'll ceiling of money, you know. I would not tell me then sit there, cause true, me no blind man and did all I feel money. Me just
Yeah, all
me
of them
spend
something
money.
there in the money, man.
Me never did
All of them
observe
something
money,
there in the
say
money.
ceiling of money for blind man.
Yeah.
And then sit there, you know.
Well, if I something about
Yeah.
money, brother.
A lot of
You
things
can't
about
too
money.
old for learn.
You didn't know say
That's
money
right.
You
powerful.
can't
That's
too
right.
old for learn.
That's right.
Yeah.
You
That's
know,
right.
you know say money powerful.
Like how powerful.
Powerful something for
Yeah,
the earth
man.
right now.
Then you no make you
Money.
kill neither man.
No money, no me. Money
No,
not
you
let me-
die.
No, you but
Yeah.
other man.
Man kill man.
Money powerful,
Yeah,
man.
yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, man, money powerful.
Yeah, man.
Money
Yeah, me know that,
powerful.
man.
Money can make you a certain see, you
Money
know.
no straight, man.
You believe me?
Yes.
Money can make you a certain see, you know.
If you have the right amount.
Money. And that me I tell you how powerful the money is. So just look what me I tell you, say,
Look
a
where money
money,
do some places. Where
money
road,
run
look where
earth.
road
You
make.
understand me?
A some
Money
place.
run
A
earth.
money,
Yeah. But I just, you know, if you give the love def to the money. It's no say money is something where me have to use, you know.
Money come and
Yeah,
goes,
me have to
man.
have money for use. That me know about money. That
You
money
own
made
money?
far.
Your own money.
Me?
Yeah.
No, my face not depend on money.
All when your face the money you know.
Me no own no money. And that me I tell them, me
And you
just
see
get
a
money
dead
for
man
use.
depend money.
Yeah, me get money for use.
Alright, so
Yeah.
free the maths.
Money
Dead
make
man
for
depend
you.
on-
Don't-
So what you say, you wouldn't take for your burial money from early?
No, because I wouldn't want to put my family member in that difficult. One at a time in a life, me would just look that way there too. But at the end of the day, when you look back on life, you know, the man when dead don't have nothing for face, you know.
No, sir.
Now that's why me say me want for me.
Me would have take mine.
So to me,
You take
I
money.
say help myself,
Yeah,
man.
yeah,
Me
yeah,
want
yeah.
help, you know, man.
Me attorney.
Hey, me want help, man.
and when me done this
Set up
now
yourself.
and
Me
got
want
dead,
help, man.
put you in a trouble for find more. I care, me
We don't
care
have to
about
bury
you
me,
know
man.
that.
We don't have to
Much.
bury
You
me.
not go bury me, you don't have to bury me.
Yeah, because you don't want shame.
Definitely. So that shame there, I got be disgrace in our life.
My thing is, no care how you're there and you struggle. And you call upon one and two smarty, then can't find if he help you.
They not have it.
Then where them get it from when you're dead?
Them go borrow it and take time pay back. Them not borrow it for give.
So he quicker fi borrow fi pay back
man,
fi
you
bury
not
me.
Dead, you dead, you know. Get rid of this debt. Yeah, man. Bury you and get rid of you.
That's
The
why
shame
me
and the
say me want
disgrace.
fi me from
No come
early.
down from family member. You understand me, Brooksy?
Yeah, me
Cause you
understand
go
where you
hear
are
say-
dealing with, you know.
Miss Johnson dead round the salon.
So you never hear say Miss John dey foreign and him boy there ya walk a dead for you?
No, nobody never hear that.
Alright.
Nobody never hear
That
that.
me a talk
But
about.
them hear same dead and then can't bury him. Them have to walk big money to bury him and all the liquor something. You understand me, Brooksy?
Yes.
Nobody no want that in them family that left as a
So
brand
that
on
a
you.
bigger shame than if him did a walk a beg and a thief out of Jamaica.
Bigger shame for him, cause him alive, him can't go work. Him not have a teeth. You're alive, you're not sick. Notice if you're sick, them take care of you. Anything wrong with your family member, take care of you. If you're in a trouble, them spend their money and take
if you're
you
dead,
out.
them bury
If you're
you.
dead, them bury
So
you.
how me want to start and you can't help
Well,
me?
maybe the right one where you know really sit down around the table and put the mats to him. Cause some people check on their money, you know. You understand me? People no just want to tell themselves, say, you are going to tell him, say, you want to start and you just going to give him money. So that I must one with just personally love you like that, care about you. But otherwise, you find the right family member where him can sit down around the table. And you make him know, say, you know, you don't know, say, I want to do so and so and so and so. And I feel say so and so, that better for me. So if you can help me with so, me just ask if you do so for me, and that's it, you know?
And
Yeah,
we
man.
can move on from
Move
this.
on from this.
Because many of we with their yard, they only want to start.
Yes, just a start.
But enough man get for them and turn the fuck up it too.
Enough man get
That's
there
why
and fuck you up.
some family members, some people
Always I
fear
think about this as a
from
scamming.
Alright, from
Yeah,
giving
that's
a man a
scamming.
start
Cause
like
remember-
that. Because remember, if you find $1 million in a company, hard, you know.
Me just
You know, easy, you know.
Me and your brother and sister, you know. So if me give you 10 million and you're done it, me still have to go give you more and you're not dead. And when you're dead, me still have to go bury you too.
Yeah.
Me not go tell myself, say me I go stop give you money because me did give you $10 million. And you, where you do with it, me don't know, but you're still alive.
That are you.
Yeah, oh, me can't.
Now if me
think
give you
so,
10
so
million and you mash you up, now look to me
me
again.
still
You know?
and you're still alive, me still a see you.
Yeah, still a see
See
you.
Can't
you,
look
so
to
when
me
I go
again.
do? When me I go
You
do?
know, me see you.
Me must not have it.
Mercy,
I must
family, like
have me not have it, make you
must
not
have
get
me
it.
not have
Yes,
it.
sir.
You know, watch when me give you God.
Alright, yeah, go get it.
All when me say me not
Yeah.
be none.
That's why I say
Probably that will reach me too, but me no feel like that.
me
Fear.
wouldn't take my
Not
funeral
first
money
You know,
if you
fear.
have it.
No,
That's how you stay.
Yeah.
A reality.
Yeah.
So you say you not take your funeral?
No, I wouldn't take it.
Me
If
I
you
want
have
for
it.
me.
That take mine too.
No, I wouldn't take it.
Yeah, but that take for me. Jerry saying that
Right
take
now,
for
if my people, if you can't send it, come give me now. Send it, come give me now.
me. Right away.
Me
Before
believe
me
me
there.
Me try turn it. You don't
Yeah.
feel no way like you have to give me more or so.
Yeah, me we try turn this. That's why I can bury myself when me dead. No.
Then suppose me have
I
one.
have youth them too, you know.
Suppose me have
People,
130
you know.
million now and me say, alright, you know, I'm gonna use on 2 million out of this berry Brooksy.
When it time
pass
come.
before me.
Yeah.
But
that
by
take it.
right, me can pass before Brooksy.
Yeah.
So what me woulda do is hand down that 2 million to Brooksy daughter. And make him know, say, you know,
Look here.
this money can use until Brooksy pass. You
So
understand
this
me?
a
So
one
him have
place.
the access to the money, but only when Brooksy pass.
You can't
Him
spend.
can use the money there. So that means to say she no in a not difficult when Brooksy pass.
Fi find
Fi
one piece of money.
piece of money.
Back up
to
where
take
my
the
do.
shame the
Out
out of
of
him
your
eyes.
face.
Cause uncle did done left that cover
one place
already.
see me,
You
yeah,
understand me?
yeah.
Don't mash up the money
See,
there
no
cause the
fish, you
shame will
coulda
come down
turned the
on you.
money there in a
You
tree.
understand me, my brother?
All
Some
five.
people
Yeah.
mash up the money there now, you
Yeah.
know.
Cat, you know, if you see you could have turned the money there in a 3 or 4 or 5 before Brooksy dead.
Yes, if badness not take you on the way. Then
Business you do.
Then what business name? No
Business.
fail and gain? No that business name.
business.
You go start one business and you fail.
You know, most.
You can't just try turn it to the
Papa
Brooksy
drop
dead a
next
morning, you know.
month.
You're just in a trouble.
Next week. And you
But business still let them in a sell out business.
Business mash up.
Oh, you
Now you then know them other people business mash up.
That a feed them.
Ah,
Because they not business head.
Well at
If
that
you
time
not
you have
business
to,
head, you can't run
all the
business.
man we have business head business mash up.
No, sir.
Him get carried on.
say if you have a woman and a woman you decide say if you're not married to her, you might left you.
No trouble me.
Cause you know want married to her.
No trouble me
And how
man.
much he hears now. And you know want to married. and she a go
And
left
me
you.
not ready for marry.
And you know want married her, so she a go left you. What you woulda do if you decide for this woman left you? You a go married.
Him not going to married. Cause married not important want me. So going to married.
But the woman woulda want to go in church and then something they can.
So I'm go married can't make you go church.
Yeah, but you choose to religion go and set up and then something they set up. You have to marry you and your husband come with now and then.
Yeah man, left me and go to married. Yeah man, left me man. You can't left me, you know. No
But
trouble
suppose
me,
woman
man.
don't want to left him man.
Me not ready for married.
He want married and can live a good life and
So
settle
what
down.
make we can't live good now without married?
He might go in church and something man.
So what church have to do? We not still a living a
You
love.
can't have sex and you not married man.
No, me not want that. Then,
Fornicate.
no man, me not gonna live so
Can't do
there.
that, cat.
No man, so then.
But the lady want baptize and go in church, cat. And you
So
are the
I me
man.
no know if you're boy or you're girl.
No, no, you're a woman.
Are you
Remember
woman?
say your woman, you know, we don't live
Ah,
together
so
for
sorry, why?
years.
years.
But
Hey.
the rule of the church say you have to married.
Moms want baptized now.
Yes.
So pastor say you have to go marry.
Yeah.
Get somebody where want married. Yeah man. Me no want married.
But you are human, they how much
Then
years,
me
cat?
no want married, then him no can look upon that too and tell himself, so me and him there how much years we still can live. Make pastor cool. Me want me man.
But he want go in church. And the pastor say,
Him not happy go then. Get somebody where want married then.
So it's either you go married or the woman
Man,
and
I
go
go
left.
left you.
Go on to married, yeah.
Alright.
Go on to married.
So you're willing for your woman left then?
Me no willing for she left, me just no willing for married yet.
Then where you wait pan? Till you
Married,
soon
married. Me no say married yet, him see.
You have money can buy the ring.
Yeah, everything, everything.
Yeah,
Me-
clothes, everything.
Me
Why you
no-
don't want married?
Me not ready yet.
All pastor willing to play a party in it with
Me
you
not
not
ready, me not
fully
ready.
financial.
Me not ready yet. And I saw me already. Me not ready yet. True, you ready for married. Me feel ready too. I'm pastor say.
So now you're a woman.
Yes, but me not ready for married. What about it?
Your woman are gonna feel a way.
Yeah, I got church with
No,
the rest
him
of
go
church
on
sister, them everybody married have a big ring
Ring.
pan finger
Yeah, man.
in a church
Him
still
want to
so.
married. Yeah, man.
And
go on
she
to
have her
married.
man who
When
much
see
years
you
and
married,
you
you
not
want and
married.
you.
Yeah, man. Go on to married. Make married, give you money. Put you in a house. Find everything where you want. Make married deal with you. Where you say, Prophet?
Married a one man.
Alright. I me want to know too. So why me could not be married if I want man? Married a one man?
Me no know if married a woman.
Married a can't want
Married
man.
a one man.
Oh, then where?
You got pastor,
where
make pastor marry the two away.
Then go on,
Married a
left me,
can't
man.
want man.
But the man say if you go on to married, so
Yeah.
man must a man.
Left me, man. Go on to married. Yeah, man. Cause married no useful, man. Me no. Cause true, me not married, you go left me. Go on. Married useful, man. Go on to married.
You tell a woman you are gonna marry.
Yeah.
Me no say no, but me not ready for that. No more married now
So
then
long,
away.
so long are you not ready?
So no more
What
married
cause?
now then away.
What cause if you not ready?
No,
for
just
that?
not ready, Jerry.
What cause? You
Just
have
like
the
when
money.
they are gambling, me nah win, me nah lose, me a lose or me a win. You say me ready, me say no. What cause me fi not ready? Me not just not ready.
But your wife want be a wife
Me,
now, man.
yeah, still wife. Me live with you for years and call you my wife. I ready. Where pastor have to join with her.
But
We
them say-
can't wait till the boat are we ready for
You know,
that.
see,
Me not ready.
But then say pastor if he come and pray for the ring and bless the
Yeah,
ring and then
can't
something they
believe
cat
it.
man.
That's why
and
me
push
not
on
ready
pan your
yet.
finger,
Yeah.
you push on for mom's ring and you
Me
know me
can't
a deal.
carry mom's a store go put ring pan him 10 finger.
No. I never go
So pastor more man more me.
But a pastor, not really pastor decide your marriage, you know. But pastor, you know a
Help
church
you
man
out,
and
yeah, help.
wife.
Well, me and mom's
Ma help
married
you.
already otherwise. Yeah, we married already. Yeah.
That married the way you talk about can't carry in a church.
Well, she not fi go no church.
She a go, she a go left
She
you.
not going without a married people.
I want a woman be.
Well, go on to
woman
married
look
then.
bad in a man.
No, go to
I
married.
mean, I want a man be woman look bad man. Cause a woman a good woman, yeah.
I want
So, me not good man.
We never say that, cat. We never say that. But you have good woman who go in a
One
church.
married, one married or what?
Married.
You
Guy,
know if
woman
you die
want
church,
go
you know, as the husband, you know.
The woman
Me
want
no
go
want
church.
no married.
guy.
Every now and then you can drop in
Me
still.
just no want married yet. I know the church are my problem. I know the woman are my
Cat,
problem.
you-
I know the ring are my problem. Me just no
The
want
woman
married.
no, alright, the woman no want him pastor, say she a fornicate
Yeah.
then.
Come in by live house with man, you know, you must have turn
Yeah.
ways, you know.
Pastor have him wife and a give born.
We do.
So if the church members him just left that alone.
Yeah.
You know of pastor,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know
Yeah,
why.
yeah,
You
we
see
know
that?
about. Yeah, man, we know about it. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So you know
So
pressure
that's
me
why you
and
don't
my
want your
man.
woman go to church then.
Me no stop her. Go on a church, but no make pastor tell you about you have to married, like Sister Jean.
Yes.
No, Sister Jean and him husband married. Me and you don't have to married.
No,
But
how
we
she
know
gonna
go
get
we know go
her?
left then.
What, the church?
The moms are go left you.
Yes, go on to the church or to married. Go on to pastor or the church or to married and left me.
So you're willing for your woman left you for them?
Yeah, man, me will stay me alone without married.
So that mean you don't love your woman then?
Well, what cause me if you not love me woman?
True, you're not married.
That
Yeah.
not sure say. No, sir. So all them they pass something when me do for him in a past gone and we never married.
But
I
you
hate
have
me
just
the
left
dating.
your woman just so.
I yet
left
me
him
date
to
him all the
pastor.
rest of the time there.
Call the big house and something where you make and car and everything.
Nah,
on
let's
Now
it.
you have just left your woman for pastor.
Me
so.
I left him and him I left me.
The
We
woman
pastor
never tell you
married.
that. The woman say you want married.
I'm in already. We don't
Yeah.
still alive? We still alive.
That
No, but she
sound
decide now, say if you not married him, I go.
Me can't stop.
Kind
him.
of settle down.
Me no have no road for time. You gwaan. Yeah, man. Me have to go married now and me never ready. Check 11 now, man.
So when you don't feel like you're ready to
When me
marry,
feel like. Yeah.
when you how much?
2 hours we are brush down in the 100 and hard. I go down.
When you
Me
not
100
there.
and
That's when
mom's
I'm
a good
dead.
at 90 or so. Our mom's 100 and me a 80. We just go do one married.
When you
Yeah.
not close
Time
for
you
dead.
want married.
Yeah. We don't care marry them time they make grand and family member take
You
legacy.
can't married now, man.
Yeah,
what?
man, you
For
can't
what?
marry
For
now.
what?
for true, man.
For
Look how
what?
long you and the woman there.
Mom still the same one married?
Boy, woman want go to church, give him turn over
Go
in
to
life.
church. Mom's no
To
want
God.
go to church.
Yeah,
no,
man
no.
want turn over in life to God, you know.
No,
Yeah.
mom's no want no married. Mom's just know say me and my husband already.
Them man, man, a real
Yeah.
wicked man for you.